Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn use of how many and how much. Let's see first use of how many. How many is used for countable noun. Look at the examples. How many people attended the meeting? How many people attended the meeting? How many years will you wait for him? How many years will you wait for him? How many students are there in this class? How many students are there in this class? How many times do you brush your teeth every day? How many times do you brush your teeth every day? How many students are admitted to this university every year? How many students are admitted to this university every year? Okay, now let's see use of how much. How much is used for uncountable noun? Okay, let's see some examples. How much money do you earn every month? How much money do you earn every month? How much water do you have every day? How much water do you have every day? How much fun did you have there? How much fun did you have there? How much oil will you buy? How much oil will you buy? How much milk does she buy for her children? How much milk does she buy for her children? Okay, now let's see daily use most common, some question and answer with how many and how much. How much does it cost? It is $3. How many pens did you buy? I bought 2 pens. How much cheese would you like? I would like 500 grams. How many siblings do you have? I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Okay, that's all about how many and how much. I hope that you could understand use of how many and how much and what's the difference between how many and how much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to watch more video.